Hello there. I had so much fun doing my last video when I was just having some relaxation time in my art room that I decided I had to try it again using different colours and my usual pouring medium instead of the strange mix that I had last time. So for today's video I am using the same pouring cup, which is the lid from my varnish can, along with my black, which is Reno Art black. I've also got Reno Art white and my artist's acrylic gold, and I have put them into the container with the white on one side, the gold on the other, and the black in the middle. And with those little lips on either side, I've decided to pour it the same way as last time, pouring it from the lip. But this time, instead of pouring it straight onto the canvas, I'm going to put down a layer of black, and I'm going to do it in a travelling type pour. So I'll get started. Wow, just wow. I am so happy with this. Once again, that pouring spray can lid has come to the party for me. I think I over tilted it slightly. I had more definition in the gold and should have stopped there, but I just wanted to get rid of a little more of the black negative space. Still just beautiful. I'm loving the little tendrils of gold in here, along of course with the larger white tendrils of white tendrils there. And now I'm going to put my gloves on and bring the picture up into the light closer to the camera for you to see more clearly. I'm certainly going to keep using this lid with various colours and in various styles. At some stage I will even try some silicone in it. But here is the sort of laciness I'm talking about in the gold. It's so pretty. And yes, I lost some of the definition down here, but it's still beautiful and swirly, and I kept the definition in the white, which is just lovely. So that's another successful pour for me. I'm so pleased with the way that's come out. And as I said, I will continue pouring with that little lid for a while to see what other paintings I can make. And that's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.